Namaskar students. First, mostly welcome to all student viewers and subscribers on your favorite channel Study with Prince. Students, today's topic of your English education, direct indirect speech, how to change the interrogative sentences direct to indirect speeches. Student, as we know, as we was telling about the simple changing of the direct to indirect speech according to sentences and according to reporting verb or reported speech. Now here is differential changing of in your direct indirect speech interrogative to interrogative negative sentences direct to indirect changing. Students, kindly please see the full video, and with your great concentration of mind, then you can able to understand the finally changing the any type interrogative and interrogative negative sentence change the direct to indirect speech. Student, if you any query and any problems, you can comment it, and after seeing the full video you can share and like and subscribe our video. Students, topic for today is direct and indirect speech interrogative sentences and how to convert interrogative sentences direct to indirect speech. Here is two type sentences, interrogative and interrogative negative sentences. Now we can understand about these rules, some simple rules. First, where we change do not and does not in didn't, or don't or doesn't convert in didn't. Where is negative sentence? Where is follow the negative sentence in direct speech? In the changing time of direct to indirect speech, we can change the do not or does not did. Do or does changes did not. And where is asking question, then do change in if. Here is any type not negative sentences where use the only asking the question, then do convert in if, and said to convert ask, and these are the some important changing of the direct to indirect speech in interrogative and negative sentences. Now student, some simple changing in simple sentences. If any type asking question or question mark and question sentences in direct to indirect changing, do convert in if, and said to convert ask to, and last use question mark. And if talking about the negative sentence, then does not or do not change is didn't or did. Student, now we progress some examples. First example, direct speech. The teacher said to me, are you learning your lesson? The teacher said to me, are you learning your lesson? Student, listen to me. Here is said to convert in ask. The teacher asked to me. Said to converted in ask. The teacher asked to me, if you learn your lesson, or are you learning your lesson, are converted in Was you learning your lesson? Students, now second example is, she asked me, will you help me in difficulty? She asked me, will you help me some difficulty? Then it is changing in direct speech. She asked to me. She asked to me if I would help her difficulty. He asked to me if I help her in difficulty. Students, now next topic is example. You said to me, did you not go for walk yesterday? If you said to me, did you not go for walk yesterday? Then in direct speech change the he asked to me. He asked me whether I had not gone to, whether I had not gone to, whether or not, simply use, whether I have not gone to walk yesterday. I said to him, who come next meet to you yesterday? I said to him, who come meet to you yesterday? I asked him, who here is has converted in had, who had come to meet you yesterday. Students, now rule for changing has convert in had, do or does convert in did, and said to ask and do convert in if simple sentences. Students, there were some examples of the direct to indirect speech. Here is your direct indirect speech finished. Next video will be appeared in front of you. Next topic with great study materials. If you like, then like and subscribe it. Thank you so much. Thanks for visiting us.